Hey, my name is Morgan, and today I'm teaching you how to navigate a linked list. So, first we start with a struct. I've made this struct a restaurant, and just a reminder, a struct is like any other variable. For example, an integer stores a number, a character array stores a word, and our struct restaurant stores a restaurant. Now, to make this a linked list, we actually need to add one more thing to our struct. I'll see if you can figure it out. Well, at the moment, our struct has no pointer. It's just sitting there all by itself. So we're going to add a pointer to the address of the next restaurant. Now, to save us some time, I've already created a linked list of restaurants and a variable head that points to the first restaurant. If we print head, we get a memory address. We can think of this like any street address. It's just a place where the restaurant and all its data is stored. So let's begin. We start by creating a variable called current. To see where we are, we can access its name field. To access the field, we can use this cool little arrow. And by doing this, we can see that we're at GIG. While we're here at the address of GIG, we can change things about it by walking in, or walking out, or walking back in again. Here, we can also find the field next. To travel to our next location, we can do current to current next to go to this address. So, let's go. Alright, so we are at our next memory address, which also means our next restaurant. And to see where we are, again, we can access its name field by using our cool little arrow to see that we are at the Southern Walk. And while we're here, we can also access its other fields. For example, I'm checking its occupancy, and well, it's closed, so that's 0. But we can also see its next variable. You can see the next address we have to go to is here. And we can travel there by doing current equals to current next. So, let's go. And we can continue to traverse our linked list. However, all good things, they come to an end. When our next field is equal to null, we must stop. We can't go there. When we think of null, it's like a void of emptiness. There is no address. There is no place. Which means if we try and see the name of a place, if there is no place, it's going to be an error. It has no name, it has no occupancy, it has no capacity. When we try and access a field of a null pointer, there will always be an error. So, we make sure to stop there when we traverse our linked list. So, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. I hope it wasn't too chaotic. And good luck with the rest of computer science and your degree.